this class, I'll demonstrate how to properly balance the gimbal. If you don't balance your camera on the gimbal correctly, the gimbal won't stabilize your shot effectively. And in some worse conditions, the motor will be damaged. To balance the camera, first, you need to put the gimbal on a flat, stable surface. You don't want to shake its surface intervening the balance process. If your gimbal has locks, make them stay locked first. Then make sure the plate is tightly attached to the camera. Make sure it won't swivel, it will break the equilibrium. Second, attach your camera to the gimbal and start balancing on each axis. I like to start with the toe axis. This is totally up to you. We just found it would be easier for us to balance the toe axis first. First, you need to unlock the toe axis lock. Now we found a sweet spot for the tilt axis. No matter how I place the angle, the camera won't fall to the other side. Unlock the next axis. To balance the pen axis, you need to hold the gimbal and lean it forward. If you rotate, adjust its position to stay. And now the balancing process is complete. Please double check by move the camera freely, see if it can stay in the position. Otherwise, you need to repeat the steps above and find the equilibrium. Here are some tips. You can remember the scales on each axis, so next time when you use the same camera and setup, you'll quickly find the right spot. Some brands also have smartphone apps to text the balancing result. You can use it to determine if your balance is correct. Now you can turn it on and move to the next step.